Did you know that in just 30 minutes, you can torch up to 300 calories with a mini stepper? If you're looking for an efficient way to shed those extra pounds and sculpt your body, the mini stepper might just be your new best friend. Let's delve into how this compact yet powerful fitness tool can help you achieve your weight loss goals in record time. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to hit the gym or engage in lengthy workout sessions can be a challenge. That's where the mini stepper comes in handy. This pint-sized powerhouse allows you to get in a vigorous cardiovascular workout without even leaving your home. Whether you're short on time or space, the mini stepper offers a convenient solution for burning calories and improving your overall fitness level. So, how exactly does the mini stepper help you lose weight fast? It's all about its ability to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously while elevating your heart rate. With each step, you're not only working your lower body, including your calves, thighs, and glutes, but you're also activating your core for added stability and balance. This means you're getting a full body workout in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional exercises. Furthermore, the mini stepper allows for customizable intensity levels, making it suitable for individuals of all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to ease into a workout routine or a seasoned fitness enthusiast seeking a challenge, you can adjust the resistance settings to match your preferences and goals. By gradually increasing the intensity over time, you'll continue to push your limits and maximize your calorie burn. In addition to its calorie-blasting benefits, the mini stepper offers a low-impact workout option that's gentle on your joints. Unlike high-impact exercises such as running or jumping, which can put strain on your knees and ankles, the mini stepper provides a smooth, fluid motion that minimizes the risk of injury. This makes it an ideal choice for individuals with joint issues or those recovering from injuries who still want to stay active and work towards their weight loss goals. Another advantage of the mini stepper is its versatility. Not only can you use it while watching TV or listening to music in the comfort of your living room, but you can also easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether you take short breaks during the workday to sneak in a quick workout or use it as part of a structured exercise regimen, the mini stepper allows you to stay consistent with your fitness efforts without disrupting your schedule. To get the most out of your mini stepper workouts and maximize your weight loss results, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate at least 30 minutes of stepper exercise into your daily routine, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as your fitness level improves. Pair your workouts with a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to fuel your body and support your weight loss efforts. To summarize, if you're looking to lose weight fast and transform your body, the mini stepper is a game changer. With its ability to torch calories, sculpt muscles, and improve cardiovascular health, this compact fitness tool packs a powerful punch. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned gym goer, the mini stepper offers a convenient, effective, and enjoyable way to achieve your weight loss goals and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.